Hello children, today we are with the informal letter. Informal letter is a letter written to a friend or a relative. This is a major discourse. It is a paper 2 skill and it is for 10 marks. Now I am here with the pattern to follow. Write the place and date to the right hand top corner. Greet the friend by name. Do not write dear friend. You can write what is the name of the friend. And never start a letter with a question. Don't start with how are you, where are you and all. Start it with a statement. Then exchange pleasantries in the sense you can inquire about any recent whatever studies or whatever ventures your friend has gone into. You can inquire about them in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, we are to discuss or we are to describe the theme that has been focused or that has been asked to focus in the question. That is, we need to write about the scheme or the program in the second paragraph. In the third paragraph, that is a conclusion, conclude conveying regards to the family members. Now I have taken the question, write a letter to your friend describing the Kanti Velugu program conducted in your school. Always start a letter in a fresh page. So here I have written informal letter, place and date to the right hand top corner, and I have started with dear and written the name. I am fine, I hope the same with you. I hope you are preparing well for the exam. Then I wish to elaborate on the Kanti Velugu program that was held in our school on 27th March. The program commenced at 9 a.m. and the chief guest arrived. The chief guest gave an awareness on the purpose of the scheme, the fund allotted and the services provided. We held placards and went around our locality giving awareness on importance of eyesight. Back at school, we arranged 2 blocks for eye checkup, one for pharmacy and one for spectacles. The pharmacy is medicine and spectacles is distribution of spectacles or the specs. I was really proud to be one of the volunteers guiding the patients to their respective block. We guided them to form a queue. We also provided water and refreshment drink to the parents and residents of the neighborhood gathered in our school. I feel really lucky to have been a part of this helpful program. Hope you too will write the Swachh Bharat program held in your school. Now look children, at the end of the second paragraph, I have asked the friend to write about any of the scheme that was held in his school. This is to make a continuation of the letter writing. So it is better that you conclude the second paragraph by asking your friend to write something regarding his experience. At last, in the concluding paragraph, conclude with convey my regards to your parents, yours friendly, and write your name. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. This is how you write an informal letter. For further updates, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank